Mobica's paper wallets support both Bitcoin and Bitmobic. Additionally, since both the Bitmobic app and the paper wallets support Bitmobic, Mobica's users will find it intuitive and convenient to store or trade their coins. If you've understood the blockchain address and private key system covered in our previous video, let's now explore how to use the Bitmobic wallet. In the world of cryptocurrencies, you need to know the private key of a public address containing coins to move those coins to another wallet. In other words, without the private key, no one can move the coins. Now here's a paper wallet. The public address is printed as a QR code on the paper wallet. The public address can be shared openly, similar to a bank account number. On the other hand, the private key necessary to move the coins is not visible. So where is the private key? While paper wallet designs may vary, the private key is always covered with a layer of scratch-off foil. Therefore, unless you scratch off the foil to reveal the private key, no one can transfer the Bitmobic stored in the paper wallet to another wallet. Let's check how much Bitmobic is stored in this paper wallet. First, open the Bitmobic app. Tap the plus icon at the top right of the screen to read the paper wallet's address. Then, press the Scan QR code button at the bottom of the screen and scan the QR code of the public address with the camera. The app will read the public address from the paper wallet. This paper wallet contains 1 Mo. With the public address alone, the paper wallet can only receive Bitmobic in the Bitmobic wallet app. Therefore, to send Bitmobic from the paper wallet to another address, you need to read the private key. To reveal the private key on the paper wallet, scratch off the foil with the coin. The private key becomes visible. Now, read the private key with the app. In the Bitmobic app, tap the plus icon at the top right of the screen. On the Wallet Edition screen, press the Scan QR code button at the bottom, then scan the QR code of the private key with the camera. This time, instead of the public address, the app reads the address using the private key. Unlike the watch-only wallet, the wallet now has both receive and send options activated. Now you can transfer Bitmobic from the paper wallet to another address using the private key. To do this, create a new address within the Bitmobic app. Open the Bitmobic app and tap the plus icon at the top right of the screen. On the Wallet Edition screen, enter the wallet name, select Mobic under Select Type and press Create to create the app. Once you've successfully created the app wallet, let's transfer the Bitmobic from the paper wallet to the app wallet. On the newly created app wallet screen, press the Receive button at the bottom and tap the blue highlighted wallet address to copy it. Next, select the wallet loaded with the private key in the Bitmobic app. When you see the wallet information, press the Send button at the bottom. Enter the amount of Bitmobic to send and paste the copied app wallet address. Finally, press the Next button at the bottom to transfer the Bitmobic. Let's check if the Bitmobic was really transferred from the paper wallet. It's fast. The transfer is already complete. How was it? Easy, right? Even if it feels unfamiliar at first, practice a few times while watching this video and you'll be able to use it easily in no time. If you still don't understand, watch this video and practice the blockchain address system again.